Good morning, Forest friends. This is our last letter of the day video. We are on the last letter of the alphabet, and tomorrow starts your summer vacation. Do you know what letter is the last letter of the alphabet? Z. This is an uppercase Z. This is a lowercase z. Let's practice naming the letter. What letter is this? Z. What letter is this? Z. The letter Z represents the Z sound. Z. Just like a bumblebee buzzes. Let's practice saying the sound that the Z makes. In uppercase, Z says Z. A lowercase z says Z. I have a few items around here that start with the letter Z. First, I have a number. It comes before 1, and we celebrate this number when we're at school with some type of hero. It's the number 0. 0 starts with Z. Here I have some seeds. It says squash, and it's a zucchini. This is a zucchini seed. Zucchini. I planted this seed, and now I have a zucchini plant. I hope it keeps growing. I have no place to put it in the ground, so I hope it can grow in a pot. That's a zucchini plant. I have my backpack here. I use it to go hiking. Right here is a zipper. Zipper starts with Z. I have a special guest today. This is Zoe. She is a guinea pig, but her name, Zoe, starts with a Z. Sometimes when she's not being lazy, she can zoom really fast. She's gonna zoom off into summer after this video. We'll practice writing the letter Z. I'll write on my page, and then we will practice writing in the air. A Z makes a zigzag. A capital Z is just bigger than the lowercase z. We can make a little line across, little line zigzag, little line across again. A lowercase z is just smaller. Little line across, zigzag down, little line across. Let's practice in the air. Ready? Little line across, zigzag down, little line across. Let's do one more Z. Little line across, zigzag down, little line across. The last thing we can do today is write down some of those words like 0. How do we spell 0? Z. Ear. Oh, zero. We can spell Zoe. Z-O-E. Zoe starts with a Z. We can spell zip. Z-I-P. Zip. And we can spell zoom. Zoom. I hope you zoom off into the summer and have a wonderful time. I already miss you so much, and I hope to see you all again soon in person at Carner Blue. Have a great summer. Bye.